Are you struggling in this current economy? Me too. Let's try some affordable Kmart makeup. Let's start today with the OXX Rose Metals 7 Shade Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to start with this peachy shade up the top. Now I've used some eyeshadow primer, really just to give it the best shot that it can have, and it's something that I would use for any eyeshadow. It kind of applies, but then kind of just disappears. It's so weird. Now I'm gonna try one of the shimmery shades. It kind of shows up, but not a great deal. It kind of just gets lost in the shadow below it. So it does make it a little bit more sparkly, but doesn't really add that much to it. Okay, I'm gonna try this brown shade now, just to put in the corners of my eyes. And nothing shows up. Alright, let's try a little more. I'm sure I could build it up. Nothing. You can see here I'm putting a lot on. You know it sucks. Alright, let's try this even deeper shade. This has to show up. Hello? Are you there, shade? It's probably just the wrong eye. Let's try the other one. Maybe it'll work on that one. Alright, a little heavy-handedness, and it does seem to come out. Let's try with my fingers. Fingers are always great and they always work. And it is coming out. It's working. Look at that sparkle. I love it. So use your fingers. Don't use your brush. Alright, let's try the OXX eyeliner pen. It's pretty firm and flick, so it is a little bit harder to apply. You can get a pretty sharp edge though, which I'm pretty happy about. But the stiffness is a little harder for me because I'm used to a bit of a softer brush. But it looks pretty dang good. We'll check in later to see if it withstands my oily eyelids. Alright, let's check out the OXX Limitless Lashes Mascara. It's in a real fancy tube, not a bad brush. Now I have curled my lashes with an eyelash curler. It's actually not bad. It doesn't really do a lot for my lashes, but you know, it holds the curl in and it coats them pretty decently. It's not too thick. So it's not the best mascara I've ever tried, but it's pretty dang decent, especially for the price point. We'll check in later and see how it lasts. Alright, let's try this OXX lip kit. It's got a lip liner, a liquid lipstick, and a bullet lipstick. We'll try the liner first. It applies really nice and smoothly. Now, I didn't moisturize my lips beforehand because I'm an animal and I'm also just really lazy, so keep that in mind. Alright, let's try this liquid lipstick. It matches the lip liner perfectly and it applies really smoothly, especially for how dry my lips are. And it looks pretty good. Look at that shine. We'll check out in the daylight now. The eyeshadow is looking great. The lips are looking great. The eyeliner is looking pretty great. We'll see how it holds up. It's been about 4 hours and those lips are looking pretty dang good. The eyeliner hasn't transferred onto my lids. The eyeshadow's lasting. Pretty good. Final thoughts. The eyeshadow was, it was okay, but I wouldn't recommend it. It was really hard to work with. The lips were amazing. They lasted all day. I highly recommend these. And the mascara and the eyeliner, yeah, the mascara was okay. The eyeliner was amazing. I strongly recommend this. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.